Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. Today is the 3rd of August 2022. I'm gonna do a little trade recap on AMD, PayPal, Mrna, and Meta. Yeah, I traded a lot today, man. Probably over traded a little bit. So took the short here on AMD at the breakdown of S5 and stopped out just above VWAP, so it ran up. That was a good decision. Took the breakout here of upper VWAP, that red line right there, so that was the breakout. Took that breakout right there at let's see, 96.71. It pulled back to S4, so I entered here again, added to the position at 96.13 and was all out at let's see, what is that, 96.69, somewhere around there, and added again to go long again. Don't know why I did that anyway, but broke even right there, you know what I'm saying? So added long again, but it pulled back, so I just broke even that trade, right? So let's see, then I went over to Mrna. So I took a breakout here on Mrna. Let's see, what position was that? 173.47 on the anticipation of the 173.50 break right here at upper VWAP. Ran up here, took a couple partials and stuff like that, and eventually it came back down and I stopped out. So that was a profitable trade. And then I made a mistake, man. I was taking, the share size was too big, so I went long again and took some partials right here, and that was another profitable trade. But then I think it pulled back on me too much right here, and I stopped out. So it just ate away, like ate away at the profit. So I was kind of break even at this point. Too much share size on Mrna. That was my problem right here. Too much share size. This first one here was a winning trade, and this one was the loss right here. Too much share size. Let's see. Went over to PayPal. Right, so saw that PayPal was selling off. Right, had the wick rejection right there at VWAP. So went short on the break of VWAP right here. Let's see, that was 142. Added to the position at 181. Added to the position right here again at 175. And then I saw, like, on the level 2 they wanted to get up to like 101.75, but it was looking like let's see how I could explain this. People wanted to get out of their positions, right? So to me, the market maker was giving them a chance to get out. There was a bunch of people stacked up at like 170, 101 and 75, 101.75, and he kind of gave them a chance to get out, right, on the ask. So when it came up to there, had the wick rejections and stuff like that. So I was like, yeah, he's definitely trying to bring the price down, but he's giving people, like, who was in profit, he's giving them a chance to come out, because he's actually showing them that, you know, he's gonna bring price down. So when it came back up to there, I just added to the short again. We came back down, broke VWAP, took a partial right here, and when it pulled back up to VWAP, I was all out right there. So that brought me back in profit nicely. And then I went over to, let's see, then I went over to Meta, because everything was looking kind of weak, and I was saying that Meta, I was saying in a previous video in my pre-market watch list, I'm looking at Meta as like a pump and dump, right? So I was looking for Meta to be weak. Meta was showing signs of weakness, broke above lower, broke below lower upper VWAP, right? So I went short here at let's see, what is that? Went short at 166.68 and partialed here at 165.70 and partial here again. No, actually, I don't know what happened here, but this was a mistake, right? So I partialed here, right? And then I partialed here again, but then it flipped my position and it turned into a long, right? So I don't know exactly what happened there using these hotkeys. Sometimes, man, I don't like using hotkeys because it does stuff like this, right? So when I'm covering these partials, apparently it set a limit order to enter a long. So when I came up here, I just stopped out, right? So that was a profitable trade as well, and PNL is looking nice, man. Had a nice run today. Made a couple mistakes on Mrna. Mrna was a mistake. I shouldn't have taken so much share size. So when it pulled back on me there, it really ate out at the profits, and it was a nice profit too on that first run up. Let me go there on Mrna. Yeah, this one right here was a nice profit, man. I took this from 173.53 to 174.95, but the share size was too big, man. So I shouldn't have entered again. You know, I should have just waited. I don't know. Maybe I should have just stayed out of this, or just take the proper share size. You know, because we definitely got a nice run up, man. So lesson learned right there. You know what I mean? Stop getting overzealous and taking too much share size. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, it was a great day, man. Nice PNL right now. And yeah, that's it for today, man. Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.